Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a virtual home button to your iPhone X, iPhone XS, iPhone XR, or any other later model home buttonless iPhone. With the introduction of the iPhone X, Apple made the bold decision to get rid of the home button and replace it with a series of gestures. While some people have adjusted to all of the new gestures and swiping they have to do, other people are still bitter about the lack of a home button. Thankfully, Apple makes it possible to put a virtual home button on your screen that performs the same core functions as the physical home button on older iPhone models. In that, a single tap returns you to your device's home screen, and a double tap displays the list of all apps currently open on the device in a view where you can close them. Now let's walk through the steps to put a virtual home button on your iPhone X or later model iPhone. Step 1. Tap the Settings app on your iPhone. The settings screen is displayed. Step 2. Scroll down and then tap General in the list of options. The General screen appears. Step 3. Select Accessibility in the General menu. The Accessibility screen opens. Step 4. Scroll down to the Interaction section and then tap Assistive Touch. Step 5. Tap the toggle to the right of Assistive Touch to turn it on. The feature will be on when the slider shifts to the right side of the toggle and the background for the toggle turns green. A circle icon that looks like a button appears along the bottom center part of your screen. Step 6. Tap Customize Top-Level Menu on the Assistive Touch screen. The Customize Top-Level Menu screen appears. Step 7. Tap the minus option to the right of where the number of icons is displayed to reduce it to show just one icon on the wheel. Tap the one remaining icon to bring up a list, and then tap to place a check mark to the right of Home in that list. Tap Done in the upper right corner of the screen. You'll return to the Customize Top-Level screen. You can now tap the circle icon along the bottom of your screen at any time to return to your iPhone's home screen. You can even double tap it to see a list of all apps that are currently running on your iPhone. Congratulations! You now know how to add a virtual home button to your iPhone X, iPhone XS, iPhone XR, or later model iPhone that doesn't have a physical home button. Thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. If you like what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video, or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.